We've got big breaking news that's coming in from Rajasthan, where the governor has again returned the file which requested the convening of an assembly session in the state. We understand that the governor has put forth some queries to the Parliamentary Works Department to understand some nitty-gritties before actually giving the nod for the assembly session to reconvene. Ashok Gehlot has been pushing for an assembly session. There's been a lot of speculation that he wants to show off his numbers in the House, but so far the governor has yet to give his nod for the same. Devankur is joining us live with more details on this. So Dev, more delay perhaps in the decision by the governor. He sent back the file from Gehlot seeking more details from the Parliamentary Works Department.
Well, Akshita, this perhaps can lead to a massive confrontation between the Rajasthan government led by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and the Raj Bhavan, where the Governor Kalraj Mishra stays. The Governor has returned the file which once again proposed the convening of the assembly session of Rajasthan Assembly. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot believes that he has the numbers. But this time round, purportedly the assembly session, he had asked for it so as to ensure the passage of 6 bills and for discussion on the corona pandemic in the state. That was the proposal that was put forth by the Ashok Gehlot government. But we understand that the strategy of the government was to ensure the passage of one of the bills, and if the bill was passed, then it would have been presumed that Ashok Gehlot has the numbers in the state assembly. But now that the Rajasthan governor Kalraj Mishra has returned the file once again, this could lead to ugly confrontation between the government and the governor once again. In the past, we have seen the kind of scenes that prevailed inside the governor house, where the MLAs created ruckus, indulged in sloganeering and demanded that the governor convenes the assembly session as soon as possible. In fact, today is the day when Rajasthan Chief Minister actually wanted the assembly session to be convened. But now that seems to be unlikely to happen. And at this point in time, what happens ahead is yet to be seen. But clearly at this point in time, Gehlot's claims are yet to be proved, given the fact that the governor is not giving any time for the convening of the Rajasthan Assembly.
So in this fresh appeal to the governor, Gehlot had actually sought for the assembly session, in fact, to happen on 31st. It looks like that's going to be pushed further with the governor returning the file. Dave, I request you to stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.